Hey guys! Today we're checking out a pre-sale starting around $300K, a truly massive 5-seat SUV, the VOYAH Taishan X8. Dimensions are on screen now. Yes, you read that right. 5.2 meters in length with only 5 seats inside. That is incredibly lavish. The overall styling stays true to its big brother, the Taishan, but easy to tell apart. Like the massive front grille on the X8 is body-colored. A real eye-catcher on the X8 is its 22-inch wheels, not just the center caps that stay upright. More importantly, they use a very rare chrome finish in sunlight. All 4 wheels gleam. The interior feels familiar. Same recipe, like the dual 15.6-inch screens, the full digital dash, plus a large HUD. But in the details, the X8 brings some fresh touches. Build and materials feature a lot of soft leather wrapping, plus 3D mesh tech, and the pillars and headliner are all suede wrapped. Feels very premium. Another unique storage spot is the passenger glove box. Now, a pull-out drawer. Less volume than a traditional one, but front passenger legroom is greatly freed up. These 2 front seats have ventilation, heat, and massage, but no zero-gravity mode. At this price point, you might find that odd, but here is why. The Taishan X8's ride balance is fully centered on its rear seats. Driver's seat is set to my position. Rear legroom behind it easily exceeds 3/5. At this price, for this class, just big space isn't convincing enough. So you'll find this X8's rear luxury features are truly abundant. 21.4-inch rear entertainment screen with 3K resolution, rear tray tables on both sides, and their width visibly wider than most cars. Under the center armrest, a dual-door hot-cool box. From -6°C up to 50°C, capacity reaches 13 liters. One detail really caught my eye. On the ceiling, there is an electric door switch. Why is that? With the door open like this, I can't reach the close button, but one gentle press, and it comes right back. In the rear, the star is still this and this seat. To show their full functions, I need to turn the middle seat into a multi-function armrest. Strictly speaking, these 2 seats differ slightly. My spot here is the comfort lounge seat. The driver's seat just moves forward, but doesn't fold extra. Its backrest reclines up to 135 degrees, plus the extending leg rest. Even if I called this a zero-gravity seat, you wouldn't doubt it. If the comfort lounge is this good, the right side zero-gravity seat must be even better. It is quite similar. Now, my front passenger seat. It is now fully folded, just to free up more space for this seat. Its recline angle is greater than the left rear, reaching a full 145 degrees, so it is a true zero-gravity seat. In this fully realized state, my forward view is completely unobstructed. There is also a huge screen here. Watch the scenery or the screen. It is entirely up to you. Both rear seats also have ventilation, heating, and massage, but this one has mechanical massage. Normal seat massage just uses air bladders, inflating and deflating to press your back, but mechanical massage works exactly like a massage chair. But the rear seat story doesn't end here. The X8 offers a very practical feature called bed mode. Its rear seats, despite their powerful functions, can fold forward significantly. The entire cushion tucks away downward. So once the backrest is flat, it connects seamlessly with the trunk. An official auto-inflating mattress is available. After activating camp mode, place the mattress correctly. Connect the power, and the entire second row folds down automatically. The trunk becomes a large bed. By the way, in standard mode, trunk volume reaches 1,148 liters. With the second row folded, that expands to 2,361 liters. The Taishan X8 comes with two powertrain options, pure electric and PHEV. This one is the plug-in hybrid version. Specific power figures, I won't detail them now. They're listed on screen. Pause to study them. As for power reserves, absolutely no problem. Even for a car this big, it hits 0 to 100 in just 5.5 seconds. But the real key is its power tuning. Making an EV fast is easy, but making it smooth, that takes real tuning skill. There are 3 modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport. Even in Sport mode, power delivery stays linear. Like right now, it builds up gradually. It won't just punch you with a sudden, harsh jolt. But for passenger comfort, I think Eco mode is the best choice. Acceleration is still ample, but power delivery is smoothest. Actually, that is not quite accurate, because there is also a chauffeur mode. When I switch to it, even if I floor the accelerator pedal right now, power delivery stays very restrained. You could say chauffeur mode is designed purely for ride comfort, with rear axle steering of plus or minus 16 degrees. Even on a narrow 2-lane road like this, I can make a U-turn in one go. The turning radius is astonishing. This car is 5.2 meters long, but its turning radius is just 5.4 meters. The chassis hardware is rock solid. Front double-wishbone, rear 5-link. Crucially, it has triple-chamber air suspension, plus EDC continuously variable damping. That means damper stiffness is adjustable, spring rate is adjustable, and ride height is also adjustable. Though it is packed with Huawei tech, it differs from Harmanio's cars. Suspension adjustments are decoupled and placed in the drive mode settings, so you can fully customize it to find the setup that suits you best. Driving this car so far, most of the time, I've set the spring rate and damper stiffness set to the softest mode. But even so, it won't feel much like a boat. The chassis still provides great support. I know what else you're wondering. As a PHEV, how does its engine sound and behave? Today, a lot of the time I was testing its battery saving mode, at least with ample charge. Whether the engine is on or off, you can still feel a slight vibration through the steering wheel. But in terms of noise suppression, it is handled brilliantly. If you're a passenger inside, it is really hard to tell if the engine is running. This car also excels in its smart driving system. It uses the ADS Max 3 with the latest 896-line LiDAR on top. Today's test drive route was all mountain roads. Not much of a challenge for this system. If we can get a test car later, we can try it on Al Channel's custom smart driving route to see how this ADS Max 3 really performs. That is the VOYAH Taishan X8 for you. So, guys, are you satisfied?